It's time now for News Update with our anchor, Chevy Chase.
Honey, I don't care whether the water's hot or cold, as long as you put them in your mouth. Okay, well, I've got to go. Okay, love you, dear. Good evening, I'm Chevy Chase. Our top story tonight, leaders of the PLO and Israel gathered in Washington today and signed their historic agreement for peace. In a related story, just in from our weathermen, hell has frozen over. The White House welcomed Yasser Arafat today after banning him from the U.S. for over 2 decades. Officials said he was treated with respect, as everyone was warned not to ask, what's with the tablecloth and the radiator hose on your head? Later, Arafat showed Rabbi Moshe Hirsch the pen with disappearing ink he used to sign the agreement. And a new study shows that only half of the adults in the U.S. can read. The other half watch Fox. We'll be right back with more news. Stay with us.
Oh, boy. Move on in.
Oh, boy, burger, surely you can dig. It's tasty. It's hot. It's juicy. It's so hot. And oh, boy.
There we are. Hi, I'm Herd Hayden, owner of Oh Boy Burger, and I'm here to tell you that besides our good food and helpful staff, there's another reason to enjoy Oh Boys. It's our secret sauce. It's no secret that our secret sauce is no secret. It's ketchup and mayonnaise. Of course, our competitor will never tell you what's in their secret sauce. Why? Because their ingredients violate God's will. Kevin, have you ever tasted our competitor's secret sauce?
Gosh, no, Mr. Hayden. I want to go to heaven.
Amen, Kevin. Now, I don't want to tell you what's in our competitor's secret sauce. But if you take a research monkey and hit it over the head with a sledgehammer, well, you get a pretty good idea. So come to the burger chain where they don't monkey around. And that's our guarantee. Due to the flooding in the Midwest, U.S. farm officials report that the nation's corn crop is down 24% from last year. On the bright side, Missouri saw its biggest lobster harvest ever. Well, the murder trial of Eric and Lyle Menendez continued today with more shocking allegations of parental abuse. Curiously enough, the parents were unavailable for a response. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Researchers say that RU-486, best known as an abortion pill, may now be used as a labor-inducing drug. Confused right-to-life groups were seen yesterday picketing their own offices. The Clinton administration is considering a plan to list fiberglass insulation as a hazardous substance. For safe insulation, health officials now recommend stuffing your walls with silicone breast implants. And finally, Harvard and MIT students can make up to $100 by donating their sperm for research. Officials for the study say while some students donate during the day, most prefer to pull an all-nighter. Good night, and have a pleasant tomorrow.
Tomorrow on the Chevy Chase Show, Stephen Stills will be here and the human calculator. But right now, stay tuned for the bizarre magician, Rudy Kobe, and Tom Scott in the band. Coming up after these words from our sponsors.